Fedora Outlier LLC logo animation. Logo is burnt orange, reddish brown. The backdrop is black with light flares that appear then disappear across the screen.
What's up, everybody? Check it out, man. I don't even know what the fragrance of the day is. I haven't even opened up the box from when it came into the mail. It's 9 fragrances from a YouTuber that I got from Scent Split. Yes, I followed his Scent Split advice and grabbed samples of what he recommended. So I'm going to open up the box. I'm going to open up the other box because I know how Scent Split does their stuff. I'm going to choose something blindly. And we're going to talk about blind choosing and blind purchasing in another video. And then I'm going to wear it. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you all about it right after this.
Various images of Vashon Jones, an African-American bald man sitting down in his music studio with keyboards, microphone, saxophone, computer screen, soundproofing materials on the walls. The words look good, smell good, feel good attached to each image. Final image of Vashon, he is outside holding a white cane wearing all white with the words Debonair You by Fedora Outlier LLC.
All right, I'm back, but not really back because I haven't put the fragrance on or anything like that. But this is the box that it was mailed in. I'm going to rip it open, right? Use all my... This is hard now. All my strength. All right, it's open. You know, it's not the... I hate these eggs, dude. They get all over the place. These things right here, I hate them. I'm going to take out the Scent Split box, hopefully without spreading eggs everywhere. Hold on. Boom. Let's sit that right there. As Big Beard B says, the box, right? So take that little ribbon off. And then in here, we have 9 fragrances. I'm going to open that up. I'm going to just grab one. Boom. Don't know what it is. I'm going to spray it on. I'm going to throw this away. The original box. I'll sit that right there for the throwaway. Boom, boom. So when I come back, I'm going to tell you what I chose, how it wore, what's up with it, and, you know, my thoughts. I don't know what it is. You know, it's a blind pick. All right, so I'm going to put this on pause. All right, so on this particular video, I have been back like twice. Like, we're literally 2 days later on this fragrance. And the reason being is I put the recording on pause and I left for like 6 hours and the computer was just frozen. And I thought I was recording the second half and I didn't. But listen, so where did I put it? Hold on. Okay. So this first one right here is Parfums de Nicolai. I think that's how you pronounce it. And man, it's Patchouli Intense. That's what I was wearing. And when I tell you, it's good to get compliments. But man, I was getting compliments blasted everywhere I went with this fragrance. So you know, and I loved it. It's going to be a buy for me. Parfums de Nicolai. Patchouli Intense. Also, what I learned from this fragrance is that I like patchouli, because if this was an intense version, man, patchouli is one of my fragrances, one of my oh shit, I got my gun on. Oh shit, okay. Anyway, you're so used to carrying it at this point. Yeah, I learned that I like patchouli. One of my other favorite scent profiles is stuff with oud, and I think what I don't really like is like real light flowers, like for women. Nah, that's for, my wife don't even like it, so I can't even say that's for her. But listen, Patchouli Intense by Parfums de Nicolai, man, check it out. Note breakdown in the description. Let's go. Let's change the world. Let's look good, feel good, and smell good, and let's change the world together.
Light flares moving over a black backdrop. The word empowerment in orange, all uppercase, appears behind the flares. Underneath the word empowerment, in white lettering, also behind the flares, is a mechanism by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. Light flares fade. A transparent mirror image of the words are also underneath.